Is your iPhone not entering standby mode when placed in landscape on a charger? Standby mode is a cool feature that turns your iPhone into a smart display, but sometimes it can act up. Let's go through some quick fixes to get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Ensure standby mode is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Standby. Make sure Standby is toggled on. Solution 2. Check iPhone placement in landscape. Standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging and check if it enters standby mode. If not, restart your iPhone and see if that helps. Solution 3. Swipe down from the right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Now, tap on this icon to turn off orientation lock. Solution 4. Update to the latest iOS version. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not entering standby mode. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if it still doesn't work, feel free to ask for further assistance. As always, thanks for watching.